Good afternoon, myself Daniel Peter. Today I will like to update you about helicopters. Okay, helicopters, as you know, helicopters में कैसे ये pitch change करता है, how it change the pitch of the blade. First of all, helicopter, this is your main rotor. Okay, this is your blades. Okay, and this is your mast. Okay, there are two plates which is connected, upper swash plate and lower swash plate. Okay, lower swash plate is what your fixed, it is always fixed, and it is useful to do the helicopter connected by the cyclic control. Sorry, for the collective control. Collective control means what? The helicopter can go move up or down. Okay, so this is for your collective control. Okay, now the upper swash plate which is movable, is connected to the cyclic control. Cyclic control means your direction control of the helicopter, for left, right, forward, backward is cyclic control. Okay, and collective control is for up and down motion of the helicopter. There are two joysticks which is connected, one is collective control, one is cyclic control. Cyclic control, as I discussed, and collective control discussed. The engine throttle which is connected to the collective control joystick. Okay, now this is your tail rotor. Okay, tail rotor, it minimizes the torque, it cancels the torque which is created by the main rotor. Agar tail rotor nahi rahega, if there is no tail rotor, the helicopter, the cabin will move. Okay, due to the heavy torque created by the main rotor. Okay, now this is your skid. Okay, on here the power plant is connected. Here the power plant is used, type is turbo shaft engine. Okay, the turbo shaft engine, it is more reliable, more powerful and highly efficient. Okay, and it can accommodate areas which are having small space. Okay, now there is one more shaft going in a bevel gear arrangement from a tail rotor drive shaft system and inside the tail boom. See, this point is also known as a tail boom. Okay, so this gearbox is also known as a intermediate gearbox from tail rotor drive shaft to the main power plant. Okay, that is your turbo shaft to intermediate gearbox. Now this supporting part to go the shaft which is going inside the tail boom is secured by the various attachment. This is called as hanger bearing, what is known as our hanger bearing. Okay, so helicopters, this rotor hub which is made up of aluminum alloy or stainless steel. Okay, copper is not used. Okay, now there are various type of rotor. One is called as fully articulated rotor. This is your fully articulated rotor. One more is called as a semi-rigid rotor, as you can see in a Bell Viper helicopter or Bell series helicopter. Okay, that is known as semi-rigid rotor. Okay, now a helicopter uses a turbo shaft engine. It has a centrifugal flow compressor. Centrifugal flow compressor, as you know, there is one impeller. Okay, diffuser and manifold. Diffuser which is divergent in shape, which will increase your pressure and reduce the velocity. Okay, why diffuser is placed before the turbine, before the combustion chamber and turbine? Because the hot air which is coming, the high velocity of air which is coming from the compressor can extinguish the flame which is produced in the combustion chamber. So to avoid it, the pressure is increased in a diffuser and velocity is slightly reduced. So thank you so much. This is one more I'd like to show you. When you will see this rotor, there is one more attachment. This is called as a yoke. Okay, and yoke is made up of elastomeric material so that it can flex or bend, okay, easily. Okay, so thank you so much. This is all about the helicopter systems. I will make more videos regarding it. Thank you.